Hi, welcome back. I'm going to do multiplication of integers. As easy as this may seem, you learned this in the second grade, 3 times 2. Let me re-explain what this means. I have 3 groups of 2 items in each group. That's all it means. So if I go 3 times 2, I'm saying I have 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2. So that means I have a total of 6 items. 3 times 2, we know, is 6. And this you do know. Let's continue. Let's say I would say 4 times negative 3. This is saying I have 4 groups of negative 3. 4 groups of 3 red in each group. Well, if that's the case, let's look what I have. 1 group. Here's your second group. Here's your third group. And here's your fourth group. So what do I have? I have a total of 12 red, which means I have negative 12. Wonderful. So now we know a positive times a negative is a negative. That's wonderful with the rules. However, let me get to the last piece. Why is a negative times a negative equal to a positive? We're going to look at that more closely. And we're going to use the information we have from here to understand it. Well, let's look at what we know. We know 4 times 2 is equal to 8. We know 4 times 1 equals 4. And we can continue going down. So we know this positive times positive. Now let's say we had negative 3, 2 times negative 3. Well, we know that's negative 6. 2 groups of 3 red in each group. How about 1 times negative 3? 1 group of 3 red. It's negative 3. How about 0 times anything? Well, that's 0. Now let's look at the next part. Let's see if we can see a pattern here. Negative 1 times negative 3 equals. Let's look at the pattern. What's happening here? We're decreasing by 1. So negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, so on and so forth. What's this pattern? Well, that pattern is a constant. So what I'm just doing is times negative 3, times negative 3, times negative 3. I'm just copying it. Now let's look at the last column. What's happening here? We're increasing by 3. From negative 6, it goes up to negative 3, it goes up to 0. So what's the next step? It's going to go up 3 more. And then it's going to go up 3 more. And up 3 more. And up again 3 more. And let's look at our observation. What do you notice? Well, if you look closely, we have a negative times negative is a positive, because 3 is above. Negative times negative, positive 6. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. So now you have your rule of why a negative times negative is a positive. And to me, it's not good enough. This is the rule, follow it, go ahead. Now you understand it. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you at another one of the videos.